what Malayali seat alota?
Mallu seat coconut oil.
Namaskaram everyone. This is Vaishak and welcome to the Daily V. Namaskaram everyone. Hope you guys are doing good. So it's 6:30 practices. I think I will skip one Hatha Yoga also today because little late I woke up. And there's a Bhuta Shuddhi Vivaha at 9 a.m. at Bangalore, in Jayanagar in Bangalore. Thank you Ashini Akka for letting me know and giving me an invite. So super excited because I've never attended a Bhuta Shuddhi Vivaha. So I hope I get some videos there and a lot of volunteers will also be coming, I hope. I'm feeling super stuffed from yesterday. So today just some fruits and a juice. And I think that will be good for the Bhuta Shuddhi Vivaha also because some processes will be happening where we as people who are watching it can also take part. So just having light today. Okay, we are at Bhuta Shuddhi Vivaha. I never thought when I'm in Bangalore I'll be able to attend another. Namaskaram. Yep. ये हम किसी और की शादी है और अब पार्टी कर रहे हैं. Magic bucket. We have all the Isha meditators in one row. डिस्कशन तांत्रिक आज इधर कोई तंत्र वंत्र नहीं कर रहा.
तंत्र अपना बाप वहाँ पर है, जूम करके दिखाओ.
कौन कैमरा मैन? अच्छा I was the cameraman. अरे कोई मीम नहीं निकला क्या?
हाँ बनाएंगे
इलेक्ट्रिक इंजीनियर.
यस इलेक्ट्रिकल मैकेनिकल.
Say last year's Mahashivratri.
तांत्रिक करना होता है.
So last year it was Mahashivratri and I just was watching my story archive. So what I got is this.
1 year ago, Mahashivratri.
Don't yawn till dawn. This 11th March, okay? Don't yawn till dawn. So yeah, that's the memory about Mahashivratri, and the best thing is today we are attending a Bhuta Shuddhi
We're all
Vivaha,
together today.
and we all Isha volunteers are together. So it's
I saw there is
Isa vibes.
Isha vibes.
Without getting married, we can experience marriage.
Marriage, that is a good one.
Nice, no?
And eat free food, of course.
Free food, yeah. That is.
Okay, the wedding will start in like 10-12 minutes. During the process, I don't think I'll be taking a video. But a lot of people have gathered. A lot of meditators have also come. And it looks super beautiful. Indian wedding. Okay, the wedding is over. And there's a process where we can give the blessing. So we are going for that.
We're going for food, no.
No. Then giving them blessings.
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 Then we'll go there. We need Vaishnav as blessings.
Buddha Shuddhi Vivaha.
It was great. It was a good experience. दूध शुद्धि अपना भी हो गया, उनका भी हो गया और शादी भी हो गया.
शादी भी हो गया आपका?
अरे उनका
उनका हुआ ना.
Buddha Shuddhi Vivaha. What's it now?
No, you can go for a breakfast.
A breakfast. This is what we came for. See?
But we got what are it?
Finally. Namaskaram, Anna. How was your experience attending Bhuta Shuddhi Vivah?
I attended it for the first time, like outside.
Food review. Food review. Yeah, food review. Yes. Full cleaning. It's cleaned, no? No?
This is
First we start with dessert. Huh? Taste and tell how it is.
looks like some coconut thing.
Coconut thingy. Is it? How is it, Akka? Coconut pudding. No spoon, ayo.
पारी होने वाली है सब पहले वाला सीन.
10-20 minutes more ago, then we are going to. Yeah.
Yo, Anna.
Food review.
Coconut water pudding.
Coconut water pudding, huh?
I'll talk about it later.
Later. Aila. Maha idli. One idli, 3 people can eat.
Arey, this is nothing. You should eat daily. You should buy.
देखो hardcore साधकास को. Show your watch. कितना time हो गया?
5 minutes remaining.
For
जब
Shikanga
तक
job.
आएगा ना प्लेट तब
हाँ,
तक 12 बजे.
ये प्लेट ही है. अबे ये प्लेट ही है.
आएगा अभी. इंतजार करो.
इन्वोकेशन करके खाना, ठीक है? ठीक है. Aila, I ate the puri curry with the idli. I thought only idli was there. Aila.
सब आएगा. इंतजार कर रहे हैं हम.
इंतजार है.
T-1 minute.
T-1 minute for take off. This second. Take one.
अपना टाइम आ गया है. अपना टाइम आ गया है. चलिए चालू करते हैं.
सही है. बारिश के मौसम में. Yes.
Shiva Shamba.
How is it, Anna?
Daily we tucker. It's very good. Very cold. The first time. Daily we inside Daily we. These people are watching their own Daily we. सही है. Like, comment, share. Hey, ads किधर है मेरा पैसा?
Like, comment, share, सरकरा बस.
हाँ, सरकमला. Sunlight. We have a street play practice over here.
ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ ಬಾಣ ಸುವೇರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ಅಂದಾದ ಚಂದಾದ ಮೈಕಾರ ಮಾದೇವಿಗೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ ಚಂದಾದ ಚಂದಾದ ಮೈಕಾರ ಮಾದೇವಿಗೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ.
This guy was talking something big. His phone is 7000 mAh and look now he's going with power now.
Yesterday, Pragyan Khanna used my phone late night. He didn't put to charge.
Now I believe you. He uses that. अरे क्या करता है
शूट कर रहा था भाई, इतना सुंदर सुंदर. जंगल दिखाओ देखो.
तू ही तेरा बाल ही जंगल है. जंगल same.
This tree is approximately 200 years old. इससे भी पुराना है.
Very big and beautiful tree. We can just stop staring at the tree. It's so beautiful and so big. Yeah.
साइंटिफिक नाम है, जूम करके देखो दिख जाए तो.
इतना zoom है.
Not you. You go very fast. It's tough for me. I can't write. You have to write also there. It's a written exam. Actually, it's writing for as a product. It's a good class.
Hey, we have a cute little Nandi over here. If you want to fulfill any desires, you say something in its ears. पता नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं ये लोग. Okay. Oh, she also said something.
Now you also say something.
I already
give.
Did
You leave it out, huh? Okay.
What? Do take a gate. Just take it. He's saying, say from one ear and close the other ear.
Oh.
It will go.
He has a habit of letting it go.
What did you say? It moved suddenly.
Move on, move.
Ask something very tough question.
Tough question. Nandi is getting up enough waiting for Shiva.
He said something. Nandi moved.
K-pop skills. Saying alphabet backwards. Z, Y, X. Oh, yes.
He can say alphabets backwards.
Backwards. अपन आगे नहीं जाता, पीछे जाता है.
पीछे जाते हैं.
Z, Y, X, W, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A.
Reverse the video and see. I think if it is appropriate, you can comment on the video below.
Comment.
If he says wrong, please let me know. Anna, please share. Sakarab.
Oh, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Please everybody subscribe.
अरे कार्तिक ना सामूहिक किया आवाज.
हाँ हो गया ना.
हो गया. पूरा किए.
I think I missed बंदा. ओ तेरी यार बंदा मिस हो गया यार.
Yes, tamarind.
That it is considered that the disembodied beings and some mystical things.
See one disembodied being.
Over like are under the trees, and it is considered so in Isha because in front of Dhyanlinga there is one tree, and people buy this cloth over there for their karma and things.
What the heck?
कर्मा भाई.
Sorry, I don't know what he said. Please guys. What is a disembodied being, Dhananjana?
Disembodied being is like you disembody, take your body and mind away.
तो बच
That
गया.
is disembodied being.
I am not.
So you are a body inside. You are disembodied being inside a body.
सही है. पूरा confusion.
Confusion है अभी. Confusion हो गया मतलब. What is there a body or no?
मेरे को क्या बोल रहे शत्रु?
Disembodied मतलब body है लेकिन नहीं है.
वो देखो शेरलॉक होम का वो टेक्निक यूज करो. क्या बोलते हैं? You remove the unprobable. What remains is the probable.
इंजीनियर टर्म दे रहा है.
Engineer है भाई.
अरे वो सीरीज नहीं देखे हो क्या उसमें?
Where is he going?
इमली बटोर ने मिला.
उषादू गिरगी की ना. यार उषा.
अरे तोड़ मत.
तुषार कपूर. ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಮ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ. ನಾನು ಮಂಗ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ಗಿರ क्या है?
That green thing. And that green.
ये वाला.
ये वाला
No,
भाई.
next to that. That one.
ये वाला.
ये वाला.
ಇಮ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
It's totally gone.
ಇಮ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿ.
नहीं ये नहीं चाहिए छोड़ो.
ನಾನು
अन्ना
ಮಂಗ. ತಿಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಮಂಗ ತಿಂತೀನಿ
You know what is the translation?
ಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ್ ಇವಾಗ ಮಂಗ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಮಂಕಿ. ಮಂಗರಿಂದ ಮಾನವ. ಅಬ್ಗಿರ ಅಬ್ಲಗ. ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಮ್ಲಿ.
Hand and all.
What? Why are you laughing? Only K-pop albums you can unbox, or what?
No, you all take no little.
Wait, this ant. तुम बाहर जाओ.
Don't die laughing.
You killed.
No, I didn't kill.
Kill what?
हाँ, वो जिंदा है येरा.
And you know.
Take it.
थोड़ा taste.
K-pop.
वैसे ना.
No, you also try.
अच्छा है.
कल अच्छे से नहीं आता ये देखो. Nice.
Wow, that's awesome.
Kadak hai.
कड़क है.
It's 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
अरे यार बहुत ही
अच्छा बना रही हो.
What?
No, it's nice.
What do you want? Hey, you want? लग रहा है ले लो. हिला, this is the real review. कड़क नहीं है. ये लोग बहुत झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
झूठ नहीं बोलते हम लोग.
यार नहीं. अच्छा है.
अच्छा है ना. लीजिए.
It's nice. 10 out of 10.
Organic.
Organic shampoo.
ये आना मनु रानी.
नमक रहता तो मजा आ जाता.
Andre?
Salt.
Salt you want? नहीं वो bad idea नहीं. Salt. नहीं मिलेगा. हाँ. सब
है ना?
गलती हो गया ये भी. मेरा तो काम नहीं किया वो.
Okay.
मेरा तो दूसरा ही हो गया. मजा आएगा.
नहीं वो भी काम ही किया एक तरीके से.
एक्चुअली काम किया.
You know how they were all listening like this to whatever the Baba
Yeah,
tells.
no, there is a lot in temple.
Kukumadi Baba.
Her mother was
Get enlightened, you'll get kumkum on your forehead.
Karthik spot.
She's not even dying and she's not even recovering.
He's taking us to a big mountain, it seems. Mountain or temple?
It's Gavigangadhareshwara temple.
Oh, temple.
So how was your day, Vaisonna?
Peace out.
Enjoyed?
Enjoyed.
That is Karthika Naskar.
We had a mini satsang with Karthik Anna.
Yeah, is our Baba Karthikana. We had a satsang in Lalbagh today, knowing many man deep into spiritual things.
Yes.
And here it is, Yenalololo.
What does Yanala have to say about today's satsang?
And this is Manjunathanna.
You have to take it portrait mode, otherwise I won't be able to put it daily view.
Portrait, huh?
Yeah, like this, like TikTok mode.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is Bangalore.
And there is no traffic today because today is Sunday.
Full chicken day.
Chicken.
No, Bhuta Shuddha Vivaha day.
Yes, today no chicken, nothing. From morning I'm having
And we all
vegetarian
are
food.
hoping for Vaisonna's marriage soon.
Yes. Yeah, what?
See, for others' marriage only we have such a get together. If it's your marriage,
I know.
It'll be secret, super secret.
yeah,
Excited.
it will be a very big get together of volunteers of Isha.
Oh, you're showing my face only, yeah?
Yeah.
All the new people who have not even done one single practice, they're also be there.
Look at this. Chocolate review. Chocolate review. 10% extra we have. That means 10 chocolate, we get 1 chocolate free.
There's not enough people now. What are you?
I too, yaar. Dhananjana is free.
स्कैम हो गया यार.
Scam हो
I
गया.
think there is some.
Put that music of scam. Rajinikanth studied.
So this is the place where Rajnikant did his sum of studies. So you can see.
This is the place where Rajnikant studied. And
Now you also say this is the
if you don't believe me, look close up there. There is a Rajnikant picture.
Close up दिखाएगा हम लोग. Hey, rascal, minded.
Now you believe me, no?
Okay. You don't know. You also say this is the school where
This is the school where Rajinikanth studied.
Superstar Rajnikant.
Superstar कौन बोलेगा? मैं बोलेगा.
Superstar Rajinikanth.
And best beside it, say.
Huh?
Kabalida here.
Kabalida.
Look at that school and say that is the school Rajinikanth studied.
Yeah, it is.
Say it like
Okay, that's the school Rajinikanth studied.
Emotion and say. You also say this is the school Rajinikanth studied.
Yeah, Rajinikanth studied over
You also say
here.
this.
Rajinikanth studied here.
As soon as you came, they opened.
Short. Everyone
As soon as you came, the temple got opened.
टाइमिंग देख रहे हो जैसे हमारा टेंपल खुला
हाँ.
योर फुट यू स्टेप लाइक दैट दे ओपन
Okay.
So this is Gavi Gandeshwara temple if I'm right. So yearly once only you get sunlight inside the temple. The rest of the time you can see it is dark and what is that? Where is that space? It is like this. So linga is like this and the temple is built like this. So the light doesn't go directly. You should come on Makara Sankranti and see it and see this.
So geometrical perfection of it, right?
Yeah. The way it is, it pulls you down. Like the lingam, it just pulls you in, and you see the cave. So once if you go in and take the bigger cave turn, once you come down and sit, obviously your muscle will be ready for meditation. That is how it is.
Anna, I saw that there is a tunnel written Kashi Marga. What is that?
Actually, it basically takes you to Kashi. So it's like a underground project which was running by yogis. And also to Shivaganga. It's 60 kilometers from here. So it's like a,
Just-
as Akka said, refreshment spot.
For context, how far is Kashi from here?
1500 to 2000 kilometers.
And tell about that one day specifically. There is a
That
light.
I think I
That we told already. I love food streets. Full food. True look of the yogis.
Last night we were here.
Yes.
Last night.
Mulada tight karo. Food street.
Best veg.
Veg food street guys in Bengaluru.
ये आलू वाला.
Aloo aloo. Tustato. Tustato. Pringles. Bengaluru ka Pringles. Tustato.
is getting a content for 2 years.
Yes, 2 years.
Are you here?
Namaskaram everyone. We are in Food Street today. Look like the daily
Promotion.
food promotion.
What is this Rajinikanth style? सही है.
Don't forget to subscribe, please.
Subscribe. What?
Also hit the like button. One like on, subscribe, like, share, like, and subscribe.
Oh my god.
घंटा भी बजाओ.
Arey, you guys are ragging my subscribers.
It's very entertaining.
Yeah.
Show there. There, hop. Like this.
I'm getting ragged, guys. Daily is gonna stop from tomorrow.
This is the open, known as holige.
Bele obbatu.
See,
That
bele,
is
this
kari
is
obbatu.
dal. This dal is inside.
No, both bele
And they have
obbatu.
put like half liter ghee in this. You can try.
Half liter ghee.
Yeah. You hear? It's full of ghee.
Eat and show.
Very hot.
Illa.
Show that emotion.
Emotion आना चाहिए. Emotion.
You take that.
What's eating?
Nice,
10
nice.
out of 10.
You take one bite like that. Give it here.
Out of 10.
Out of 10, I will give 10. But for the ghee, I will give 0. It will cause heart attack. That much they have put in this.
Hey, what is?
It's scared.
That is coconut, but that is also awesome. Oh, Baba ko This is what we wanted you to do. There are many variety in this. Alva?
Malayalis eat a lot of
What? Malayalis eat a lot.
Mallas eat a lot of coconut oil. Kayu obbatu plus ghee.
So the first one was what obbatu? Dal obbatu.
Bele obbatu. Dal.
Eat.
Because I'm full of energy.
This time ladies will review. Yana will review.
Out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Hey, liar. 10 on 10, huh?
8 on 10.
100 on 10.
8.
Yes. Eat it. Oh, yeah.
Not us.
It's not our idea.
call me. You will get it 2 minutes delay. Say this, my name.
The two horns. Karthikana's two horns. Yeah, सही है. Kumkum Karthik.
Take it. There is a way to eat it, you know that, I guess.
I don't know how to eat it.
On top से यहाँ. If you are yogi, you will break it half. Otherwise, there is some problem. Take it.
So we have Vaishakana here, and we brought him to Food Street, and we made him taste Holige, Obert, and along with this one. So we'll see after eating what's his review about it.
I already ate. It is very tasty. There is no more review. Last piece.
Took the last piece.
Actually, that's my piece. He has taken.
Yeah.
See how he's enjoying it.
This is where the fun is.
What is that?
Try eating at the end.
Namaskaram. So, last day at Bangalore, caught up on a little bit sleep because for the past few days I've been sleeping just 5-6 hours. So today I was like long drive, so slept properly. It's 8 now. We'll do my sadhana, and after that I'll check out. And yep, that's it.
Okay, so I'm on the way back home. It's time for Shunya. Oh, and there is a CCD over here. But Shunya first. No coffee. Everyone, so I am here at Salem and I saw this Linga Bhairavi board, and there seems to be a Linga Bhairavi temple over here. Yesterday also one of the Annas was talking about it. I think Karthik Anna was talking about it, so I thought I would just drop by and see the Salem temple. Okay, so we have lots of car parking over here. And yes, this is the entrance of the Devi temple. It's closed, but I can just go in maybe. Okay everyone, so this is the Linga Bhairavi temple in Salem. So right now during COVID, in Coimbatore we cannot go inside the Linga Bhairavi temple. We can only see it from outside, but here you can go inside the temple. It's actually bigger than the Linga Bhairavi temple. I do not know about the deity because it's closed. I've heard it's a different kind of deity. I'm not sure though. But one fact is sure that Sadhguru has only himself consecrated this Linga Bhairavi. I just sat there. It's a very beautiful place, and you get all the processes available, all the except Kala Bhairava Karma, all the other offerings are available over here, even Bhuta Shuddhi Vivaha. So definitely if you want to sit with Devi, and if Coimbatore is not possible, definitely come here, visit this temple. It's a beautiful temple. I don't know, much people don't know about it. Even I came to know about it for the first time. So please come to the Linga Bhairavi temple in Salem. Just type Linga Bhairavi Salem in Google and you will find it. So it's a very beautiful place. Inside is even more beautiful, but I didn't take any videos. But this is how I'll just give you a glimpse from here.
So it was a 10-hour journey back from Bangalore to Kochi. So working on my daily V. So I just want to say a big thank you to all of the awesome, lovely people who came to meet me. Thank you so much. You guys really meant a lot to me. We had a lot of fun. Thanks to all the Hatha Yoga teachers who gave awesome videos. I need to work on them. A lot of editing to do. But this really touched me, that all of you guys took out your precious time to come out, meet me, and we hanged out a lot of places. Really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I just really love you. That's it. Thank you so much.